first daylight test I'm doing with the Osmo Action 4. Previously I was using the Osmo Action 1 in most of my videos, and for some I did with the mobile. So yeah, enjoy the views and the sound as well. The audio. Shade here, so direct sunlight always heat up the camera, so it's better if I have the kind of a shade here. Yep, it's been hidden. It's very hidden, and the car he has parked very long. There is something going on in the school, I guess. So many kids. Come on, change of color. Yes, if you like, you can talk, but it will be all online. You can talk whatever you like. Yeah, there is some school stuff going on here. School kiddies. And I like this road actually. Cut the actually, please. So I like this road. It has like both sides beautiful trees, and middle will also find a tree row. So this is very environment friendly. As you know, if you build the asphalt roads and it stops the water to get into the land, so this thing is very necessary that it will absorb the water. Last few days were like cloudy and rainy, and it's the first day after 10 days maybe that we have sun here, and it looks very beautiful, and this is why it's called a beautiful day. So basically I'm testing the sound with the default microphone when you are inside the camera and you don't have the external microphone. I also have the Rode wireless, so I tried it yesterday. It works really good, great, and you see clearly the quality difference. So I'm making another series of Osmo Action 4 reviews and technical tests and blah blah blah. So this kind of series, so you will enjoy, and it will give you a better idea if you like to buy the camera. Shoot with the camera, especially from Osmo Action 3 or Osmo Pocket 2 series. So when you shoot the camera, the video from with this camera, you can use the DJI app, Mimo app, and with the editor you can actually edit or change whatever you want, and then you can directly upload from there to YouTube. better workflow directly from your mobile phone to anywhere in social media. So the guy is from Never City and he's very slow. Type of lighting is like directly in front of the camera, and you can see the hard shadows and bright day, so it's good to see how well the camera will perform. I'm shooting at 4K 30 with Pro settings and with less noise. I guess it maximum is still 1600 ISO, so looks very nice. So yeah, the other thing with from the lens point of view, sure, it has bigger sensor, it does perform well in low light, but the noise still remains in the lens in the recording, because I guess they are simply smaller sensors and the lens itself is very tiny, so it's not like the Canon or Sony bigger lens where you have so much light and you have really fine control over it. So you have to compensate for your action and size. And with the technology we have in nanometer lithography, yeah, once we go like pico, then we have even better results, or even at femto, then we can actually start looking things really great. It's a nice summer day today. One should not sit at home. It's kind of a crime in Germany. Even if you work, do a lunch break for 1.5 hours, go somewhere and come back. It's recommended. Yeah, my wife also agrees a lot with that. Come to Darmstadt, please visit their gardens and historical places. Plus, if you get the chance to, you can also visit the GSI, so where they have this collider with proton, neutron, blah 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 thing. They collide, make new particles, blah 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 stuff. That's very interesting. Actually Darmstadion. Its name comes from that GSI or fair. They are kind of together. So it's man-made element. You can find nowadays 2 man-made elements made in Germany, all radioactive. Yeah, Hessium and Darmstadion. And this is the city center. Left is Darmstadt Schloss or Castle. Right side is State Archive. Oh yes, I will do that later in the next test. My wife reminds me why I'm not using external microphone for talking, if I wanted to talk that much. And next building is the, it's called State Museum. So yeah, I like museums. Many people don't like them. I like them because you find so much knowledge, so much history in one place, and you don't have to walk like crazy. I mean, just a big building for sure. So museum gives you a knowing about things, and if you keep on doing that, then you have understanding of things, and then you will build your good amount of knowledge. it's really warm day. I'm feeling really warm here inside, not using any air conditioner or something, but the camera is still working and there is no overheating message, so this is also a bit of progress. But I think for longer videos, like usually sometimes I shoot like hours long videos, then I need this proper shading thing. Wow, so tight already. So see you guys in my other videos. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.